Hi, I'm back! After a few months of hibernation, I have another recipe to offer you. This one is inspired by a German cake type called a Bienenstich, and while it's not the same as the original, I found people also really enjoy this one. For the main dough, you'll need 2 medium bananas, 120 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 150 grams margarine, 150 grams flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the almond topping, you will need 50 grams of margarine, 40 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons of a plant milk, a teaspoon of maple syrup, and 100 grams of sliced almonds. Additionally, we'll need a bit more margarine and flour for our form. But without further ado, let's begin. Mash up your bananas. Grease your form and flour it. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Add sugar, salt, and margarine to your mashed bananas and mix them together until you have a relatively consistent mass. Stir together your flour and baking powder, then add them in as well. Put the dough into the form and put it into the oven for 20 minutes. Now for the topping, add the margarine, sugar, plant milk, and maple syrup to a small saucepan and heat it up on medium-low heat until everything is melted. Then add your almonds and stir and continue heating until the mixture begins to bubble and they are all well coated. Take the saucepan off the heat and wait until the dough has finished the first round of baking. When the cake comes out, take the sugary almond mass and spread it out on the top. Then put the cake back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes until the almonds on the top brown and a toothpick poked into it comes out clean. Finally, cut the cake into however many pieces you'd like and have fun eating it while I recede back into the depths of an inconsistent upload schedule. Enjoy!